Hello there, I'm Eddie from Edhard. Today I'll show you how to remove the housing of the Edhard P-4024 power base. It is important to know how to properly remove the housing for most repairs. Okay, before we get started, let's go over a couple things that will make working on the power base easier. First, work on a clean and flat surface. Second, get yourself a small container to put screws and other parts in so they don't get lost. Third, do not use any power tools. If you do, next, you will probably be asking me for a video on how to replace the entire housing or the black base. Power tools can and will strip the screw holes. I have seen it a million times. Trust me, using a good old-fashioned Phillips head screwdriver is the best tool for the job. Lastly, before we get started, always unplug your power base from the wall outlet. You donut want to get electrocuted. If you haven't already, remove the thumb screw and safety clamp from the housing. Next, remove the trip arm pin by pressing it upward from under the trip arm. This will give you some room to grab the pin with your fingers and lift the pin straight up. Here we go. Carefully place one hand on the top, the other on the bottom, and flip the power base over. Be careful. If you drop the power base, you're going to be filling the donuts by hand for a while. Remove the 10 screws from the power base bottom, not including the power base feet. Make sure to place the screws in a safe place. After all of the necessary screws are removed, using two hands to secure the housing and power base, carefully flip the machine over. Remove the top by lifting upwards and gently giving the housing a wiggle. Place the housing directly behind the power base. Be careful, because there are wires that connect the housing to the black base. And there you have it. You have successfully removed the housing to your P-4024. To learn how to reinstall the housing the proper way, click the link in the description below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for other helpful videos. Remember, if you are having trouble with any of our equipment, give us a call during business hours and my incredible team will help you out. All this talking has made me hungry. I'm going to grab me a fresh Bavarian cream donut.